Hi guys, welcome to SFDC. In this video, we are going to see about a productivity tool called Salesforce Mass Editor. In Salesforce, we cannot delete multiple records at the same time. If we want to delete it, we have to do it one by one. If you need to delete 10 records, think about it. If more than 10 records, 50 or 100, it will take much time, right? But no worries, we have one Google Chrome extension named Salesforce Mass Editor, which has option to create, delete and update the multiple records at a single turn. I will show you how to add that extension with the usage of it. Go to the Google Chrome and open Google search and type Salesforce Mass Editor and search it. In the first search result reserves Salesforce Mass Editor extension. I have already added it, that's why it is asking for remove from Chrome. Otherwise it will ask you for add to Chrome. If you click it, it will automatically will be added. Click this extension to view all the extensions installed in Chrome browser. Salesforce Mass Editor, which is we have just now installed. Click this button to pin the Salesforce Mass Editor in this window itself. Here you can find that installed extension here. But it doesn't make any changes here, right? Because this extension only works in Salesforce Classic. So we switch to Salesforce Classic. Choose accounts and click all accounts. You can find Mass Editor has been shown here. It is a Chrome extension. See, automatically it's help you to convert all the text boxes or all the labels into text boxes. You can edit all the value at one go and you can save it. If you want to delete the value, you can choose whichever you want and you can delete it or cancel it. If you want to create more records, new records, you can choose this new text boxes has been added here and you can give the values here and then you can save it. It's easy, right? This Mass Editor is a useful and wonderful extension for end users who want to create more records at a single go and who want to delete more records in a single click or edit or modify in a single click. Thank you guys.